Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next problem number 2 of our newly launched YouTube channel under title Atomic Physics by Rana Abdul Wahid Khan. Okay. Second lecture, second module, second problem. Dear students, here one thing needs to be mentioned specifically, that this problem, that is problem number 2, is nothing but simply a reflection of our previous problem, that is problem number 1 of atomic physics. Okay. The only difference between this problem and previous problem is that previous problem was related to Lyman series, while this problem is related to Peschan series. Peschan series or Pescan series or Pascan series, whatever may be the exact pronunciation, we pronounce it as Peschan series. Okay. So let us come towards the statement of this problem. Okay. Atomic physics problem number 2, statement of problem. The wavelengths of the Peschan series for hydrogen are given by 1 over lambda is equal to RH, where H is written as a subscript of R and is called Rydberg constant. Okay, Rydberg constant. 1 over lambda is equal to RH 1 over 3 square minus 1 over n square, where n is equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on. Dear students, in our previous problem, which was related to Lyman series, we had seen that n had values from 2 to upward. Okay. In that case, in case of Lyman series, n had values equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. There was no concept of n equal to 1. Okay. So here n starts from 4. N has nothing to do with 1, 2, 3. Okay. N equal to 1 is not applicable to Peschan series, n equal to 2 is not applicable to Peschan series, n equal to 3 is not applicable to Peschan series. Okay. Now what we have to decide, we have to determine 2 parts of this problem. Part A is calculate the wavelengths of the first 3 lines in this series. Part B, identify the region of the electromagnetic spectrum in which these lines appear. Okay. So as I have previously mentioned that this problem is nothing but simply a reflection of our previous problem number 1, which was related to Lyman series. Okay. Now let us come towards its solution. Okay. Solution, let us rearrange 1 over lambda equal to RH, where H is written as a subscript of R and is called Rydberg constant, 1 over 3 square minus 1 over n square, alternatively being equal to RH Rydberg constant, n square minus 9 over 9 n square, where n has values equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. As lambda equal to 1 over RH, 1 over Rydberg constant into 9 n square over n square minus 9, where n is equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. What we have done, we have simply taken reciprocal on both sides. Okay. So by taking reciprocal on both sides, we have reached this conclusion that lambda is equal to 1 over Rydberg constant RH into 9 n square over n square minus 9, where n is equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on. We know that value of RH, that is Rydberg constant, is equal to 109,737,31.6 per meter. Okay, meter inverse means per meter. Now use n equal to 4 for first line lambda 1, use n equal to 5 for second line for lambda 2, use n equal to 6 for third line lambda 3. Okay, third line with wavelength lambda 3. Okay, first line has wavelength lambda 1, second line has wavelength lambda 2 and third line has wavelength lambda 3. Okay, because here n has nothing to do with 1, 2, 3, so for first line n is 4, for second line n is 5 and for third line wavelength n is equal to 6. So by applying these parameters we get lambda 1 equal to m over 109,737,31.6 into 144 over 7, which alternatively becomes equal to 1.875 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. Now we come towards the fact that what is 144 over 7. Okay, dear students, 9 n square over n square minus 9. First of all, we will put n equal to 4. When we will put n equal to 4, then 4 square will become 16 and 16 into 9 will become 144. Similarly, here n square minus 9 will become 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 will become 7. Okay, that is why lambda 1 involves 144 over 7. Similarly, in case of lambda 2, we will use n equal to 5. So So 9 n square, 5 square 25 and 9 into 25 will be 225. Okay, and similarly n square minus 9 by putting 5 will become 25 minus 9, which will become 16. Okay, that is why 225 over 16. Now we explain what is 324 over 27. Okay, when we will put n equal to 6, then 6 square will be 36 and 36 when multiplied with 9 will become 36 into 9 will become 324. Okay, similarly n square minus 9 in case of n equal to 6 will become 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9 will become equal to 27. That is why lambda 3 involves 324 over 27. So dear students, here lambda 1 has become equal to 1.875 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. Lambda 2 has become equal to 1.281 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter, and lambda 3 has become equal to 1.093 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. And part A of our problem has been solved. Now we come towards the region. Okay, so now we come towards part B. Here lambda 1 is equal to 1.875 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. This is infrared region. lambda 2 equal to 1.281 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. This is again infrared region. Lambda 3 equal to 1.093 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. This is again infrared region. Okay, because all the three lines have wavelength in the range 10 to power minus 6. So these lines with wavelength in the range 10 to power minus 6 fall under the region infrared. How we have reached this conclusion? We have reached this conclusion after analyzing spectrum of electromagnetic waves, in which it is described that infrared waves have wavelengths ranging from approximately 10 to power minus 3 meter to the longest wavelength of visible light 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 meter. So all these three lines have wavelength 10 to power minus 6, which comes within the range 10 to power minus 3 to 10 to power minus 7. Okay, so this is the end of our part B of this problem. Now we come towards the reference, that is the book from where we have chosen this problem. Okay, so reference book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Authors are Raymond A. Survey, John W. Jute, Jr. Publisher is Cengage, and its 9th edition 2014 has been followed. Here chapter number 42, Atomic Physics, is our concerned chapter, and this problem has been enumerated as exercise number 42.2 of this book, and this is the end of our problem. Okay.